My name is Karolina Korupczynska. I'm a director of artist-run project and exhibition space called Stryx. Stryx is a small self-funded organization on Paisley Street in Digbeth, and we have opened in 2012. We initially opened as 8 artists coming out of the art school who wanted to work and develop their practices in a studio space. This has very swiftly shifted into what do we do with our work, where do we show it. We partitioned the space, creating a gallery space and separating the gallery space from the studios. And 6 years from when we opened, we have now 10 studio spaces. We have a gallery space and a project space that is open to artists to work in. We run a residency project that allows emerging artists from West Midlands and beyond to develop their practices in an uninterrupted way for 8 weeks at Stryx. Our latest development, which we are super proud of, and it also has been funded by Arts Council, was the 4th part of SUP residency project, which we've worked with 5 artists and 4 artist organisation from around West Midlands. The artists have worked at Stryx for 8 weeks, developed brilliant work, and we have shown their work 3 times over the period where they were working at Stryx. And then the final outcomes of the time that they spent at Stryx, the work that they produced, have travelled around the West Midlands for a period of 9 months. Some of those artists have moved on since then, working on solo shows, progressing on to further education, and working in, with other galleries around Birmingham and West Midlands. At the moment, we are facing some challenges in Birmingham. Birmingham as a city develops pretty quickly. Small organisations like our own are under pressure to gather the funds and to be sustainable in a constant process of the housing and property market prices rising, therefore the rents are rising as well. Stryx had to rethink the organizational objectives a few times. We had to look at how we run the organization in a way that we keep it sustainable, and I believe that the self-funded artist-run organizations will find it very difficult to find themselves in that new building of artists, communities and galleries. Also, not being successful with our Arts Council bid, with our most recent Arts Council bid, was challenging for us because we have counted obviously on the support to develop a program and to be able to pay the artists that we wanted to work with, and to pay the people that are involved in running the space. We will be looking at it again in the near future, and hopefully we will be successful with our bid next time. The advice that I would give to people that are looking to open initiatives, artist-led initiatives and spaces, would be go and look around, have a look at what's already there, really think about what you would like to do, what niche are you going to be filling. Go and talk to people, come to Stryx, come to talk to us. We have been there. It's a difficult process, and it's challenging. Running a program, working on exhibitions, it's a completely different thing to running an organization. So you will have to think about things that you probably don't have to think about when working on the project. So go and do your research and build your networks, so you will be surrounded by people who are there to support you in case there was a problem. Thank you.